Alright, so welcome to the next part. In this lecture, we are going to learn more about the business model that you are going to follow in your social media marketing agency. So here we have some general tips. First of all, this look like a general picture of what you and your agency is going to do along the way. And here we have several tips, but we will go very deep in each of these tips along the way as we go forward. Okay, so don't worry if some of them is not very clear for you right now. I want to just show you the general image of what's going to happen. Okay, so the first point is to have 1 to 10 clients. So it may take a couple of months to get to 10 clients, but after you get to 10 clients, some of your clients along the way may leave you. So you have to just try to do your best to keep up at 10 clients, all right? And you're going to charge them between $1,000 to $5,000 per month. About pricing, we'll go very deep. There are several packages that you have to set up. Then we will have cancel anytime policy. You will focus on local and online clients. It will depend on you. We'll talk about that later. The process of getting the clients will start with giving audits. Again, we will have there's a part that we will talk about audits. We will have several audits that the forms are ready. You just need to fill them. So it's pretty much easier. I also introduce a lot of tools to you that will make this process easier. So what you have to do is to grow their business, bring more customers to their business, increase their sales. And when you do that, just try as many people as you can. Do your best to get as many clients as you can. So what you're going to help clients with, you are going to manage their social media accounts. You are going to optimize their website, or if they don't have a website, you are going to build a website. It's very easy. I will show you how. You're going to do email marketing for them. You are going to do search marketing for them, which is two-part, paid and free. Which the paid version is the advertisement like Facebook ads, Google ads, and the free version is SEO. You have to follow some instructions and bring traffic so it rank higher in the search engines like Google and so on. Okay, so this was a general image of what is going to happen next. Starting your social media marketing agency has 3 major steps. The first one is selecting the right name, company structure, and the website of your agency, which as we go forward we will learn more about them. So that was all about this lecture. If you have any question, don't forget to write it for me. And on the next part, we are going to learn more how you can select the right name for your agency. Well, it may sound a little bit simple, but there are a lot of important tips down there, which in the long run, it will play a major role in making your social media marketing agency successful. So if you're ready, let's go for it.